deviant.
Yeah.
Explain what you're doing. Explain what you're actually doing.
Yeah, well, you know, we all talked through the beginning when the teacher was pouring the juice for everyone, and then... So this is a test mostly comparing the tried and true, you know, penis enlarger pump method of wine preservation versus the fancy pants argon method of like, oh, you've got this bottle of wine, so you put argon in the bottle, which Cocktail Chemistry and some others have spoken very highly of. They like, oh, you know, preserve with your inert gas. We have been getting some interesting results. Say again?
It ain't inert.
So wait, so
Yeah.
does the argon, like, does it clean the bottle out?
Well, the argon is supposed to, it's heavier than air, so it pushes the atmospherics out. And the idea is, oh, argon's inert, so that means it doesn't react with anything. That I don't know if that's true, because a couple days in a row now, the argon glasses have tasted weird. Right now, the noses are all fine, but let's just start going around. So what we've got is we got argon.
Is Tara there in case you, like, fall over?
Tara's still in England. What the fuck? The fuck is that? All right, do we want to know what's what? So we said one wasn't great. It didn't strike me as particularly, I wouldn't call it my favorite, but it's no number 5. Number 1 was argon at room temperature. Number 2, I'm not sure if 2 I liked. I think I really like 3. Yeah, 2's not bad. Again, I wouldn't call it probably my favorite. 2 was control in the fridge. So do nothing but shove a cork in it and put it back in the fridge. 3. This could be, I don't know, this honestly could be like a vacuum at room temp or something. I have no fucking clue. Vacuum at room temp. You are thinking that I'm sleight of handing this. That is fucking crazy. 4. Like, fine. Yeah, I think 4 might have been the one I liked the most, actually. Vacuum in the fridge, which we have seriously seen performance out of through this whole thing. Now, here is the fascinating point. We haven't found room temperature, just shove it on a shelf yet. And we haven't found one of the other argons. 5 was the one... I don't know. I mean, this is a long bit of time now for just room temperature wine. I don't know. Fuck. That is bad. That is control room temperature. All right, we're finally starting to get a bottle of wine that really is not chooching right, just from sitting on a shelf. Which means that number 6, I can't do the math.
This is refrigerated argon.
Yeah, I said it was okay. It was no number 3. Argon in the fridge. Okay.
So the best was the penis enlarger in the fridge.
Yeah. That still is holding strong in this test.
Now, penis enlarger in fridge, still a little cold.
It sounds kind of like a Clue outcome. Like, yes, with the penis enlarger in the refrigerator.
Yes. That is the body of the crime right there.
It was deviant with the penis enlarger in the refrigerator.
Check the envelope. See, even control in the fridge, just throwing a bottle in the fridge is better than some of the argon. Like, this is nuts. So for those who don't know, this is week, like 2.5. This is day... Yeah. Well, the cat is my disguise. It's my mustache.
That as soon as he starts recording, the cat's like, look at my asshole.
Oh, yeah.
Straight into the camera.
That's what cats are there for. I have this butthole. Like, easy to be looking at.
Look out.